Ready to ride the Pepe wave? This quick guide shows you exactly how to buy Pepe Coin using Trust Wallet. First, you'll need BNB in your Trust Wallet to swap for Pepe. If you don't have any, you can buy it directly within the app using a debit card or transfer it from another wallet or exchange. Next, tap on the dApps or browser tab, depending on your Trust Wallet version. Then, find and select PancakeSwap. Once PancakeSwap loads, tap Connect Wallet and choose Trust Wallet from the options. In PancakeSwap, select BNB in the From field. In the To field, you'll need to paste the Pepe Coin contract address. You can easily find this address on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Make sure you're using the official address to avoid scams. Before swapping, adjust your slippage tolerance. Pepe Coin can be volatile, so a slippage of 512% is often needed for the transaction to go through. You can find this setting in the PancakeSwap settings menu. Finally, enter the amount of BNB you want to swap, review the details, and tap Swap. Confirm the transaction in your Trust Wallet, and you're done. You've successfully bought Pepe Coin.